Hi everyone, welcome back with the fourth puzzle of today's newspaper on Tuesday, May the 5th. Today's Liberation Day. We will continue with the binary puzzle and let me count first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means 4 O's in a row or in a column contains only 4 O's and 4 ones. Yes, that's the rule. And no identical columns or no identical rows. So let's get started. All right. Let me see. Between two ones comes an O. Double one, here an O, then O. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have 4 O's here in the first row, so the rest are ones. Then between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Double O, here and 1, then 1. We have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here an O, then O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here an O, then O. Between two O's comes an 1. Then 1, 2, 3, 3 O's. This is number 4. Double O, here and 1, then 1. Then I need to compare, I think, because there are no combinations. Yes, okay. Let me see. Mm. 101. Yes, this row and that row. Let us compare. 001, empty box. 1100110011 O and an empty box. So I need to switch these two digits, otherwise I will have two identical rows. This should be an O, this should be a 1. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 1, so the rest are O's. Then double O, here and 1, then 1. Between two O's comes an 1. If I place the O in this column, here we have 4 O's, but also 3 ones in a row, not allowed. So this cannot be an O, this should be an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Then I cannot continue, so I need to compare. How about do we have 1? No, 1. Yes, this column and this column. Let us compare 1 1. Oh, no. 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1, and then empty box 0 0. So these two digits, I need to switch them, otherwise I will have identical columns. So we have a 1 here, so this should be an O, this an O, this should be an 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. 1 2 3 4 4 ones, so this should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Finished in 5 minutes. Alright. So remember, no identical rows. Row, yes. Or identical columns. Thank you for watching. I will see you later in a minute with the last Sudoku of today's newspaper, A Tectonic, aka Suguru. Thank you and bye-bye.